Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a target line or benchmark line in an Excel chart. This is perfect if you want to compare your actual data with a goal, average, or benchmark. Let's start with a simple example, a column chart with some sales numbers. First, calculate your target or average. You can use the average function like this. Fill this formula down your column so every row has a target value. Next, select your source data, including this new target column. Go to Insert, Charts, Recommended Charts, switch to the All Charts tab, and choose the Clustered Column Line Combo Chart. Then, click OK. And just like that, your chart now shows a horizontal line representing your target or average value alongside your actual data. If you already have a chart and want to add a target line without creating a new chart, here's what you do. Insert a new column beside your source data and fill it with your target values. Right-click your chart and choose Select Data. Click Add in the Legend Entry section. Give your series a name like Target Line and select a range of your target values. Click OK twice. Now your target line appears in the chart. Right-click the new series and select Change Series Chart Type. Change it to a line chart while keeping your actual data as columns. This way, your target line overlays your column chart perfectly. You can also format the line, change its color, width, or add data labels to show the target value directly on the chart. And that's it. A simple way to visualize goals, benchmarks, or averages alongside your Excel data. If this helped you, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Excel tips and tutorials.